Hey everyone, how's it going? So I've been getting a lot of requests to draw the new Carnage from the movie Venom 2, Let There Be Carnage. So today I'm finally going to show you guys how to draw the new Carnage in his new form. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Carnage from Venom 2, I'm going to begin right here at the eye. So I'm just going to draw a little line that's just going to come up and it's going to come down. Then I'm going to make a little line that's just going to go down and it's going to come up to here. Now starting here, I'm just going to make a little line that's just going to go right above the eye. It's going to come down and then back here. Starting here, I'm going to make a little line that's just going to go down and up, and then it's going to come down and it's going to go out to here. Next, I'll make a little line that goes down and in. And I'll make another one that's just going to go down. We're going to go over and then up. We want to put a lot of sharp teeth in here on Carnage, so we're going to put lots and lots of sharp teeth in here. And I'm going to put a bunch in at the bottom too. Now for his tongue, we're just going to start right here and we're going to make a long kind of wavy line like this. It's going to come to a point and then we're just going to bring it back to here. Make a little line with a couple lines right there for the back of his mouth. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that comes down for the neck and another line down here for his neck. Starting here, we'll draw a line that comes down for part of his shoulder and then a line that comes down here. And then right here we'll make a line that comes down and in, another one that goes down, and then we're going to come up for his chest. Starting here, we'll draw a line that comes down and over, another one that goes down and over to kind of show that his body's kind of bent. Then right here, we'll make a line that comes down, and then it's going to come back here at an angle. We'll add a couple little lines, and then we're just going to make a line that's going to come down and then back here. I'm going to bring this line up. And I'm going to bring this line back to here. Starting here, I'm going to draw another line over here. I'm going to draw a line that comes down. And I'll make a line that's going to go down. And we're going to come over. Then right up here, we'll make a line that's going to come down. And we're going to bring it down for the other leg. A couple little lines, and we'll bring this line down here. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up and down. I'm going to bring it out and then down to here. I'm going to bring this line up, curve this line down, and bring it over. Next, I'm going to bring this line down here. Starting here, I'll make a line that's going to go out. We're going to come down to a sharp point and then bring it back. Then we're going to make another line that comes down to a point and bring it up. We'll do another one here. Do the same thing. One more here. And then we'll make one more out here for sharp claws. Starting here, I'm going to draw another line that comes down. We'll make a line that goes out and down. Make a little line that's going to come down here. And this one's going to be like his sword hand. So I'm going to draw a little line that's going to go out. I'll make it kind of wavy and bumpy. It's going to come to a point. It's going to be kind of jagged and come back. We'll do the same thing. I'll make this kind of jagged, come to a point, and then bring it back here. Make this line come out, and then we're going to bring it up here. Now we want to make all of the crazy kind of like tentacles. So I'm going to start by just drawing some lines. They're just going to go out. They're going to curve around. And then we're just going to kind of redraw that shape, making them just get a little bit bigger as they come back towards the body. I'm going to put a little curved line, and these are going to have more of like a hook on them. Draw another one here. We're just going to kind of curve this up and around. Then starting here, we'll draw one that's just going to come down. We'll just kind of follow this line and bring it up to here. Curve this one down, make it come to a point and back. Draw another one up here. We'll just bring it up. Kind of curve it around to here. Make it come to a point and then bring it back for that hook. Then I'll just bring this line down and bring it back to here. Now here's our basic shape. We just want to come in here and add some of the details. So I'm going to draw a couple little lines right by the face and a couple little lines by the mouth. We'll add a couple little curved lines by the neck and a line over here for the chest. I'm going to add a couple little extra lines coming right here by the chest and a few more little broken lines around here. A few curved lines kind of by where the knee is and a couple broken lines. We'll make some lines kind of by the arms and maybe a couple little curved lines on these tentacles here. I'm also going to make a couple little lines that are just going to be kind of hanging off these tentacles just for more kind of different kind of crazy parts of his body. So we're just going to add some of these little pieces hanging off the tentacles here. You can make them however you want to. I'm just going to have them hanging off here. And if you want to, you could always add more tentacles too. I'm going to add a couple extra little curved lines onto his sword hand. And a few lines kind of right by the feet. And a few more by the eyes. And there you go. There is your drawing of Carnage from the new Venom 2 movie, Let There Be Carnage. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.